Hello friends, it's Miss Nora with the CH Booth Library, and I'm here today to talk to you about our next literacy bag, which will have a theme of patterns. And they will be available for you to pick up in the CH Booth Library in the Children's Department. So in your bag, you will have some sheets with some suggested patterns on it, and you will also have a bag of plastic links. And you can go ahead and use those links to make your own patterns, or you can try and copy the patterns on the pattern sheet. The links are fun. They clip together and they come in different colors. And I've put these together to make a pattern of yellow, red, and blue. And then I repeated the pattern, yellow, red, and blue. So you can have some fun with that. We'll also have a craft in there for you to do. Your craft is a snail, and you will be decorating his shell and making a pattern on it. Now we'll have some squares of paper already cut out for you that you can use to make a pattern on your snail. You will have eyes to attach. I've gone ahead and made a smile on his face. You can color him any way you like, and you can use your own stickers, your own color paper. You could use markers, crayons, colored pencils. I've gone ahead and taped. You can tape or glue. I taped some of my squares onto his shell, and I chose green, blue, orange, and then green, blue, orange, and then green, blue. So what's the next color if I'm repeating my pattern would I put on his shell? You're right, orange. Very good. So I would put orange right there, and I would decorate his whole shell with my pattern. So that's some fun that you can have. You can also go on a pattern hunt in your house and find different patterns. I bet I went in my closet and I put this shirt on today because it has great patterns. It has white and blue hearts, and it has pink ladybugs. And if you look at each row on my shirt, each row is a different pattern. And then it also has a striped pattern where the buttons are. So this was a good shirt today to wear today for patterns. You might find patterns on your curtains. If your house has any walls with wallpaper, there might be a pattern, or on your rugs. Maybe on your plates that you eat at dinner time will have a pattern. So look around the house and find different patterns. And also at the CH Booth Library, we have books about patterns. Patterns in nature. If you look at butterfly wings, you'll see patterns, or flowers on their petals, you might see patterns. So we would suggest when you come in to pick up your bag, your literacy bag, that you go ahead, and we will also have books available for you. We hope you have fun with this, and we hope you find lots of neat patterns.